be strong. That's what people respect. So you mentioned your sister back there.
Mimi? Yeah, she OD'd years ago now. I mean, after we moved to the States, she tried to kick that shit, but...
That sucks. She was, you know, really alive.
My mother thought maybe a new city, new country, but the hooks weren't deep.
Man, once you start on that shit, it's hard to stop. For anybody.
Yeah, once she started.
Oh, man. And it was dog eyes that got her into it?
Yep. Fucking dog eyes.
You gonna tell Winston?
No. You?
Shit, Wade. Winston's the boss. But when we were kids, you were the only person who was nice to me. You were my best friend, man. That means more than a boss, you know? Hey, man, hey, come take a look. Joey Kwan sells pirate DVDs. Let's start with him.
I got special deals.
Hey, little brother. You work for Winston.
I understand. How can I help?
Winston runs this place, and if you don't want trouble, you pay him. Period.
Of course, no problem.
Hey, big man.
Need anything? Just come ask.
You want good clothes?
No, this is gonna piss Dog Eyes off. At some point, Winston and Dog Eyes are gonna clash, man. It's going to be epic. Winston versus Dog Eyes. Just like the movies, man.
Hey, you want a new shirt? You could use a new shirt, man. You what you want? Orange rose and the booklet. You could use it.
You wanna do the talking?
We're collecting for Winston.
Winston? Dog Guy said he's in charge here.
We're here to clarify that. What, you want to be the guy we use to clear up the confusion?
I'm not afraid, you guys.
Be a tough guy.
I'll be your slave. Anything.
I will pay.
I'm glad I can make you see reason.
Take the money. Dog Guy won't be happy.
Dude, I think you killed him.
We'll be fine. We'll just have to drink through a straw for a while.